Respected my class in charge and all my dear friends, a wonderful morning to one and all.
Very great morning, Nadiksha.
I, Nadiksha, from Proud 90 grade. Today I am here to play the role as a teacher in front of you for mastering the concept. My topic is cell related from our subject science. So friends, here the question arises, what is cell? Cell is the smallest and basic unit of our life. So friends, what is cell? Cell is the smallest and basic unit of our life. It is called structural and functional unit of our life. So here the question arises, why the cell is called structural unit of our life? Because it provided structure to our body, and functional because many functions were performed by the cell. Now about discovery of cell. A scientist named Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. He discovered the cell while observing thin slice of cork under his self-employed microscope. He observed that the cork resembled the honeycomb with box-like compartments, and he named that compartment as cell. Now about cell theory. Scientists named Sheldon and Swan. Two scientists named Sheldon and Swan. Cell theory states that all the plants and animals are composed of cell. All the plants and animals are composed of cell. Second one is all the cell arise from pre-existing cell, and third one is the cell is the site of metabolic reaction. Cell is the site of metabolic reaction. Now I will ask you some questions related from this topic. Yes, Kanishka, stand up. Who discovered cell?
Robert Hooke.
Sit down. Isha, when was cell is discovered?
In 1660.
Sit down. Shivam, what is cell?
Cell is the smallest basic structure.
Kanishka, stand up. Who discovered cell?
Robert Hooke discovered the cell.
Yes, one, stand up. What is cell?
Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of our life.
Yes, your answer is right. Now, we will move to our next topic, that is types of cell. Cell is considered into two types. First one is prokaryotic cell. Second one is eukaryotic cell. Now about prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are primitive cells. And the organisms having these cells are known as prokaryotes. Are known as prokaryotes. Now about eukaryotic cells. These are well developed cells. These are and the organisms having these cells are known as eukaryotes. Are known as eukaryotes. Now the example of prokaryotic cell. Example of prokaryotic cell is amoeba and blue green algae. Amoeba and blue green algae. Now the example of eukaryotic cell. These are plants and animals. Example of eukaryotic cell are plants and animals. Now we will move to our next topic, that is the short difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Size of prokaryotic cell is 1 to 10 So here the question arises, what is this It is the unit for micrometer, unit for micrometer. Now eukaryotic cell. Size of eukaryotic cell is 5 to 100 or 5 to 100 micrometer. 5 to 100 micrometer. In prokaryotic cell, true nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, true nucleus is absent, and in eukaryotic cell, true nucleus is present. In prokaryotic cell, membrane-bound cell organelles are absent, and in eukaryotic cell, membrane-bound cell organelles are present. That's all about my topic. I hope you understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.